अगला प्रश्न 141। A teacher divides the class into groups of 5 and asks them to discuss what they would do if they were caught in one of the following situations. Their friend falls down in the play field and is hurt. They are trapped in a building on fire. They are stuck up in a traffic jam. This activity is based on पहला grammar translation method, audio lingual approach, communicative language teaching approach, structural approach। सही उत्तर होगा इसका तीसरा कम्युनिकेटिव लैंग्वेज टीचिंग अप्रोच। अगला प्रश्न The one that cannot be further divided into smaller grammatically meaningful component is पहला a phoneme, a morpheme, a diphthong, a syntax। सही उत्तर होगा 4 syntax। 43 Alka, a student of class 3, often makes a mistake between SH and S as a language teacher. Your interpretation will be Alka is a careless student. दूसरा it's due to influence of her dialect or language. Alka's pronunciation is not clear, hence you will give her more practice. As a teacher, you will ignore such silly mistakes। सही उत्तर होगा दूसरा it's due to influence of her dialect or language। 144 A language teacher asks a student to make a butterfly with paper by following her instructions. This activity will help to the students to develop पहला पेपर मेकिंग स्किल, दूसरा लिसनिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन, तीसरा पेपर फोल्डिंग स्किल, चौथा रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन। सही उत्तर होगा पेपर फोल्डिंग स्किल। अगला प्रश्न A language teacher asks a student to collect flowers to make a flower scrapbook. She also asks them to write the name of each flower in their language and in English. This activity will help her to promote a love for nature, integration of subjects, multilingualism, language across the curriculum। सही उत्तर होगा इसका पहला लव फॉर नेचर। अगला प्रश्न In which of the following the role of the learners is that of an independent learner? Teaching aid, building a learning aid, teaching learning materials, integrated materials। सही उत्तर होगा इसका बिल्डिंग एज ए लर्निंग एड। अगला प्रश्न Creating a reading corner in the classroom helps पहला children to learn and revise their syllabus thoroughly। दूसरा to provide opportunities to children to select books independently as per their interest। तीसरा the children burdens the teacher to maintain a register and keep record of their work। चौथा to share the responsibility of the librarian as the books are issued by the teacher। सही उत्तर होगा इसका विकल्प नंबर 2 सही उत्तर होगा इसका तीसरा। सही जवाब होगा इसका प्रश्न संख्या 4। अगला प्रश्न, स्मॉल किड्स at their initial stage love to move pen and pencil into and fro or up and down position. This way of writing is drawing, scribbling, invented writing, zigzag writing. सही उत्तर होगा इसका invented writing। 149 नंबर प्रश्न, in a language classroom a teacher is asking a student to interact in groups and then share their personal response to the poem with each other. This task promotes social interaction as advocated by Chomsky, Piaget, Skinner, Lev Vygotsky। सही उत्तर होगा लेव वाइगोत्स्की। अगला प्रश्न, इन ए लैंग्वेज क्लासरूम यू हैव आस्क्ड ए स्टूडेंट टू राइट डाउन द डायरेक्शन फॉर reaching your home from school. When students have written down the direction, they will then present their direction in pairs to each other. This activity will help to increase their cognitive, academic, language proficiency, their basic interpersonal communication skills, their directional sense, which a student often confuse the integration of language with science। सही उत्तर होगा विकल्प नंबर 3। इसी के साथ हमारा इंग्लिश का ये सेशन समाप्त होता है। आशा करते हैं इससे आप लाभान्वित हुए होंगे। अगर मेरा ये प्रयास आपको पसंद आया तो इसको लाइक शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें और अपना सुझाव हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें। धन्यवाद।